when I told a buddy of mine at Walter Reed about tonight, you said to open with a joke. But I'm guessing that probably wouldn't go over too well. In fact, y'all are probably thinking just the opposite, right? Joke's on us. And now, here we are. Well, you know what they say. You want to make God laugh, tell him your plans. On May 2nd, at about 2 in the afternoon, I had to let go of most of my plans. Because most of my plans involved me having legs. So letting go, that's what this is mostly about. First thing you gotta let go of is worrying about stuff you can't control. What happened, happened. So take a deep breath. This is your new reality. Whatever anger and frustration and you gotta let go of that too. There's no reverse button on our lives. If there was, I would go back to May 2nd and I would do it different. But I can't. Now, this isn't gonna be easy. Because your brain is just gonna wanna keep trying to steer you off course, you know, like some stubborn horse that don't wanna stay on the trail. But the really important things, those get clearer in your head. I mean, whatever junk you thought you needed to make your life worthwhile, it goes away. Life gets a lot more basic and a lot richer. Now, the coming months, it's scary, man. I won't tell you it isn't. The small changes can be scary, and I'm saying small. It's like you started out as one person, but a thing like this, it changes you. And this whole new person starts to form. But until you let go, you'll never realize your full potential. So that's it. I mean, all of us here in this room, we were given a special challenge. And what I have to keep believing is that special challenges allow for something special to float to the surface. Something that I may never have known about myself if May 2nd, 2 p.m. hadn't happened. So it's all about letting go of what could have been and only holding on to the things that really matter. Thanks for coming.